Have you ever noticed something strange about money? The first $100 feels difficult. The first $1,000 feels almost impossible. But then, something unexpected happens. For many people, reaching $10,000 isn't just another number in a bank account. It's the moment when money stops feeling like something that constantly disappears, and starts feeling like something you actually control. What's surprising is that the number itself isn't magical. The mindset behind reaching it is. Imagine two people. Both earn the same salary. Both have the same bills. Both want financial freedom. Yet 5 years later, one is still living paycheck to paycheck, while the other is calmly investing, handling emergencies without stress, and slowly building wealth. What changed? Not their income. Their relationship with money. Most people believe wealth starts when you earn more. So they wait. If I just got a better job. If I made another $1,000 a month. If I got that promotion. But higher income alone rarely fixes money problems. Because every time income rises, spending quietly rises too. A nicer apartment. A newer phone. More subscriptions. Better restaurants. Without realizing it, people create a lifestyle that grows just as fast as their paycheck. Psychologists call this lifestyle inflation. Your brain quickly adapts to better things and starts treating them as normal. Yesterday's luxury becomes today's necessity. That's why someone earning $40,000 can feel just as financially stressed as someone earning $100,000. The problem isn't always income. It's that spending keeps chasing it. Now let's talk about why $10,000 matters. Think of money like building a castle. The first few bricks don't look impressive. They don't protect you from anything. But eventually, enough bricks come together to create a wall. That wall changes everything. Your first $10,000 is that wall. For the first time, unexpected expenses stop feeling like disasters. A broken laptop. A medical bill. Car repairs. Instead of reaching for a credit card, you already have a solution waiting. Something even more important happens inside your mind. Stress begins to shrink. And when stress shrinks, better decisions become easier. Behavioral researchers have found that financial stress consumes mental energy. When your brain is constantly worried about bills, it's harder to think long term. You focus on surviving today instead of building tomorrow. But once you have a financial cushion, your brain finally has room to think differently. Instead of asking, "Can I survive this month?" you begin asking, "How can I grow my money over the next 5 years?" That shift changes everything. Because wealth isn't built by one giant decision. It's built by hundreds of small decisions made consistently over time. Now here's the secret most people miss. Your first $10,000 isn't valuable because of what it buys. It's valuable because of what it teaches. It teaches patience, discipline, delayed gratification, planning. These are the exact habits required to build $100,000. And eventually, much more. Think of it like learning to ride a bicycle. The hardest part isn't going fast. It's learning balance. Once balance becomes natural, riding farther becomes much easier. Money works the same way. Saving the first $10,000 forces you to master the habits that make future wealth possible. After that, investing becomes less intimidating. Compound growth finally has something meaningful to work with. Your money starts producing more money. Slowly at first. Then faster than you expect. This is why so many investors say the first major milestone is the hardest. Not because of math. Because of behavior. If you're still working toward your first $10,000, don't feel discouraged. Remember, every wealthy person once started at zero. No one wakes up financially free overnight. It happens through ordinary decisions repeated consistently. Saving instead of spending. Investing instead of waiting. Thinking years instead of weeks. The number itself isn't what changes your life. The person you become while reaching it does. And that's the real milestone. So the next time you look at your savings account, don't think about how far you still have to go. Think about the habits you're building every single day. Because one day, you'll realize the first $10,000 wasn't the finish line. It was the moment your financial life truly began.